Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellows. This video we make for about to fulfill the assignment of fundamental listening. We are going to describe about Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure is the father of the modern linguistic. Ferdinand de Saussure was born on 26 November 1857 in Geneva, Switzerland. Saussure was a Swiss linguistic, semiotician, and philosopher. His ideas laid a foundation for many significant developments in both linguistic and semiotic in 20th century. He is widely considered one of two major founders of 20th century linguistics and one of two major founders, together with Charles Sanders Peirce, of semiotic semiology as Saussure came it.
He is a man with a mustache who has an oval face and a sharp nose. Ferdinand has a firm and clear facial structure. Ferdinand is white as well as Europeans in general. His hair was thick and the same color as his mustache. His father was Henry Louis Frederick de Saussure, a mineralogist and extramolistan taxonomist. His brothers were the linguist and Esperantist René de Saussure, and scholar of ancient Chinese astronomy is Leopold de Saussure. In turn, his son was the psychoanalyst Raymond de Saussure.
Saussure showed signs of considerable talent and intellectual ability as early as the age of 14. He began attending the institution Martin in Geneva in 1870. Graduating at the top of class, Saussure expected to continue his studies at the Gymnase de Genève, but his father decided he was not mature enough at 14 and a half and sent him to the Collège de Genève instead. But Saussure was not pleased and complained. After a year of studying Latin, ancient Greek and Sanskrit, and taking a variety of courses at the University of Geneva, he commenced graduate work at the University of Leipzig in 1876.
He studied for a year at University of Berlin under the private docent Henry Zimmer. He returned to Leipzig to defend his doctoral dissertation De l'emploi du genitif absolu en Sanskrit, and was awarded his doctorate in February 1880. Soon, he relocated to the University of Paris, where he lectured on Sanskrit, Gothic, and Old High German, and occasionally other subjects.
Saussure was taught at the École Pratique des Hautes Études for 11 years, during which he was named Chevalier de la Légion d'honneur or Knight of the Legion of Honor. When offered a professorship in Geneva in 1882, he returned to Switzerland. Saussure lectured on Sanskrit and Indo-European at the University of Geneva for the remainder of his life. It was until 1907 that Saussure began teaching the course of general linguistics, which he would offer 3 times, ending in the summer of 1911. He died in 1913 in Pavillons-le-Château, Vaud, Switzerland. Ferdinand de Saussure is one of the world's most quoted linguists, which is remarkable as he himself hardly published anything during his lifetime. At the age of 21, he published a book entitled Mémoires sur le système primitif des voyelles dans les langues Indo-Europeennes, or Dissertation on the Primitive Vowel System in Indo-European Language. So that's all we can describe about Ferdinand de Saussure. If we re-describe something wrong, we apologize. Thank you for listening.